Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today I got Steve. He's got a killer 1974 Ford Bronco Sport. He's gonna tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Steve?
I'm doing great, Mike.
Man, killer truck.
Yes.
Knocked it out of the park.
Thanks, man. Well, as you know, this is my therapy. This is how I keep myself busy because the world's so messed up today.
Yep.
But this is a complete new body. So from the grill all the way to the tailgate is all new.
Beautiful.
Frame up restoration. Chassis been sandblasted, painted. Motor's been completely rebuilt. The 302 with the automatic transmission.
Yep.
Everything's been replaced. That's just how I am.
Yep. Sitting on 33s with Steelies.
With Steelies, new tires. Just put the tires on, all new brakes. Did a conversion so you have front power disc brakes.
Cool. Makes a big difference.
Big difference, man. I also added AC, because you gotta have AC.
Yeah.
So that's AC.
So you can go to California or Arizona.
For sure. And
LED lights all the way around, I see.
LED lights all the way around, even inside in the dash. There are LED lights for the indicators.
Okay.
I upgraded the alternator as well. So it's a 100 amp alternator. And then all new interior, all new carpeting, all new weather stripping.
New.
Yeah. It's got a AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth.
Cool.
Power steering, of course. And
That's it. She is freaking new.
yeah.
So what, a couple hundred miles on it?
The rebuild, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And then I also added on the hood. Added the shocks so that you
Oh, no
lift it up.
prop.
Right?
Beautiful. I
How's
like how
this?
you finished under the hood too.
Thank you. So we have the aluminum radiator, of course,
Yeah, polished.
polished up, and everything is new underneath here.
Whew.
So all the steel that you're looking at is all new.
Yeah.
And then I'm a fanatic about seam sealer. So this truck will never rust in the spaces or the places that they do.
Yeah.
Because I seal everything so the water doesn't get in there. When I say I'm a fanatic about it, I'm a fanatic. I'm not talking crazy.
I know that.
I seal everything. Everything's got to be sealed so the water can't get in there.
Wow.
So it stays looking like it's looking. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Power steering, power brakes, air. It's a
New AC
whole
system.
brand new vintage air unit.
Yeah.
Heat,
Heat.
new battery,
Heat's-
new hoses, new wires, new.
Everything is new underneath that hood.
Oh, you even put a seal on this thing. I've never seen that.
Yeah, that's just.
You went really above.
Yeah, I'm a fanatic with that stuff. My mindset is if water can get into these cracks, it can
Yeah.
rust. So
Sure.
if you don't want the rust in the future, you got to seal it out.
Love all the little touches of chrome and everything everywhere.
Yeah.
Nice touch with the aluminum radiator with the polished.
Even the bolts,
top.
man. The bolts don't get painted.
Wow.
That's just how it is.
All new
Replace the
wiring.
bolts. All new wiring.
It's basically a new Bronco.
It basically is a new Bronco. It really is.
Gorgeous.
It's got a 2.5-inch lift in it. Of course, the front end and the lift kit is done correctly. So underneath here, you
Yeah.
have your drop down Hitman arm. You
Yeah.
got your drop down for your track bar.
Yep.
These are your new springs, new coil springs, new shocks. Then also we did the drop down for the radiator brackets as well.
Oh, I see that.
As you can see that. I mean, that's the right way to do it, so you get the right caster. So the thing drives like it did when it was new.
Better than new.
Yeah, so it's not, it's not going all over the road, because if you don't do that right, these things are all over the road.
Swirly, yeah.
You know? But this was a fun project, I gotta tell you.
No, he's retired, and
I mean, this is how we go. I mean, I just go out in the garage, and this is what I do. And I don't have, I'm not up against a time frame. I'm not rushing. So and
smells brand new.
yeah. And for me, it's not about the money. It's just about doing a job, and I do it the best that I can.
I like how you added the seatbelts all the way around too.
Yep. And the back seat tilts forward. Oh, check this out too. While you're
Yeah.
looking at the interior.
Brand new glass.
Yeah. I also added for this.
Struts.
You gotta have. You gotta have.
That stupid prop bar is so
So
silly.
stupid. You gotta have. And this is great with these new seats. You flip this and it
Yeah.
tilts forward, so you gain your storage space in the back.
Oh my god. This is the nicest Bronco I've ever seen.
Thank you. For me, it's the colors. And as
Yeah,
you,
your truck was the same
the
color.
1960 that I restored was the same color because I'm not a yellow fan.
But it
This
works.
just works, man.
I agree.
And I'm a nut. These are stainless steel nut and bolts. They're not rivets, they're nut and bolts. That's me. all heavily undercoated. And before I put the body on, I lifted the body up. I sealed every single seam that was to be sealed and sealed.
Man, all new felts, rubbers, everything is brand new.
So this is a GM steering wheel.
Tilt.
Right? And since the tilt wheel, in order to get my indicator, I added this. That's an LED display for all your gears.
Very
made by
cool.
Dakota Industries. It's awesome.
Really cool.
Yeah, it works out real well. Wow. And then my daughter's boyfriend made this bezel.
Wow.
Made all this stuff, as well as the delete plate for the Ford radio. Because the radio is in the stuff box.
And not a cheap radio either, a Sony. With all the goodies on it.
With Bluetooth.
Brand all new belts. Everything is brand new. Not a corner cut.
Oh no. No, all stainless steel screws. There's no steel. Everything's stainless steel.
Man, you even have the cover up top.
Oh yeah.
Visors. There's the microphone for the Bluetooth stereo.
Yep. I added the handles inside there.
Yeah, I see that.
Grip handles to get in.
Very nice touch. I don't even think it had that originally.
No, they didn't. I added that.
What a great touch.
You know, it's as you drive it, you just look around, and when I restore these things, I restore them with the idea of keeping it. Yeah, so I've been doing it for myself.
Yeah.
But of course, you know, I'll do. I don't know if I'll do a Bronco next time around, but I'll do something next.
I love how it's level too. A lot of times they'll sit
Bronco lean.
real high up top.
Yeah.
Bronco lean, is that what they call it?
Well, if it's tilting to one side.
Yeah.
That's what you're talking about. As
Yeah.
far as the height, this is a 2.5 inch
And
lift.
cup holders, imagine that.
That stupid thing was $50 a cup holder. Right? But you gotta have
You
it.
gotta have it.
You gotta have it.
And I like how this closes up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a tough box, so
And it's lockable too.
it's lockable. I have the key for it, of course.
Cool. Man, all new switches, levers,
Oh, yeah.
indicators,
Yeah, all new
lights.
bezels, all new switches.
Man,
I even changed the knob for the four-wheel drive.
I noticed that.
Yeah, I mean,
Nice little shorty on there.
Yeah, you gotta have the old one was faded, and I just had to replace it.
This is over the top. 112 miles. It's literally like a brand new Bronco. Amazing.
Yeah, the wife likes this one.
How could she not?
She likes this one.
I'd have a hard time selling
Yeah,
it.
I'd probably be keeping this because we're going to build the house down to Carolinas
Oh,
eventually.
cool.
So the proceeds for this will help with that.
Great.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'd probably keep it.
Beautiful.
And it rides really nice, man.
I bet. Man, that's as nice as it could be.
Yeah, I'm very happy with this one.
Me too.
Very happy with it.
Colors are just perfect too.
It works. It really works well.
He's got all the restoration receipts, the photos along the way.
You know, it's a whole new exhaust system too, of course. And stock. I'm a stock kind of guy. I like keeping things stock. Besides the lift, the alternator, and the AC. The
Sure,
power
yeah.
rates. But I like to keep things stock.
Man, what a showpiece. Wow. It's fired up.
You got it.
Nice and quiet too, not too loud.
You know, it's a stock exhaust system, but it's a little throaty, which
A
I
little
like.
bit, yeah.
Just a little bit. Which
Not
gives a
too
nice-
much.
Not too much.
Sounds great. Man, all new.
Even with the lift kit, you got the right spaces, so the rear end is tilted up, so you have the same geometry with your drive shafts.
Yeah.
To support. Oh my.
Yeah.
Yeah, all new brake lines, all new fuel lines, all new wheel cylinders, brakes, new fuel
Wow.
tank, of course.
Man, body off, disassemble, put back together.
Yep.
Better than them,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
They didn't make them like this from the factory.
I don't think so.
No way. Because of the detail and stuff?
Only because I have the time. Like I say, I go out there and I just do my thing.
Wow.
Keeps me busy.
Oof.
Yes, Cap.
Yeah, that's cool.
Because the
The
original
attention to
gas,
detail.
the original, yeah, exactly. Because the original gas cap, when you take this off, the original gas cap, you see these screws.
Yeah.
I didn't want to see the screws,
No, of course
so I
not.
found this thing.
Freaking perfect. Man. And the windows roll up and down like butter. Oh, and a little voltage indicator here too.
What's that?
Little voltage indicator.
Yeah, he added that.
You got the oil, temp, fuel, and everything there.
Yep.
Oh my God. So beautiful.
And even like for the interior lights, when you talk about details, so
Yeah.
with your interior lights, of course you have the light up here, and you just had the one single light here. I did another one over to the right-hand side.
Oh
Because it just wasn't light. You needed more light. That's why I added that. Not that you never know it, but
Setup
you do.
fits beautifully under there too.
yeah. Even like with the whole wiper assembly up top underneath there, that's all new. All
Wow.
new regulators, new wiper motor.
Yeah, all the ones I've seen, that's all been exposed.
Yeah.
That looks really nice like that.
Yes.
Attention to detail.
Makes a difference, man. Makes a difference.
Man, like a vault. Wow. Whew. I am blown away, Steve.
Thank you, buddy.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Steve, thank you so much for stopping by.
You got it.
Gorgeous truck.
You got it.
Give me a call, 631-339-0399. This truck is not going to stick around too long. You could also visit about 300 photos I took today on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.